Oceans are one of the largest, deepest, and most beautiful creations on the earth. But humans have made it a dustbin. There is more plastic than the marine life in the oceans. The plastic which we throw in the dustbin gets further thrown in the oceans. Let's take an example of your house. Someone comes and throws garbage in it. You are trying to stop him, but he doesn't stop. Only thing you can do is to beg him not to make the house dirty. Same happens in the oceans. Marine life don't know how to clean up the mess which we made by throwing plastic. Marine life, which includes octopus, seal, different species of fish, crab, lobster, shark, whale, eel, jellyfish, etc., can only beg and can do nothing. The plastic eventually kills them. There is so much plastic in oceans that when a tsunami or a cyclone occurs, all this plastic gets thrown on land by the water and no one can clean it. In the year of 2050, due to an increased production of plastic, wastage will increase by 4 times. These beautiful oceans and the home of marine life are getting destroyed by humans. And now these are dirty water bodies with plastic floating in it. According to the scientists, in the year 2050, 47% people will struggle to get drinkable water. But humans are gradually realizing that we have to save the nature and the marine life. People are boycotting plastic products. Countries are trying to make themselves plastic free. The plastic bags, bottles, jars, etc. are being replaced by jute bags, glass jars, and glass bottles. Restaurants, hotels, and airplanes are taking efforts to not use plastic cutlery. Government authorities send ships to take out tons of garbage from the oceans. Even some social workers and YouTubers started campaigns in which we can donate money to help the marine life. We humans have to understand that we have to clean this mess, or else this will harm our future generation. We are born on earth to maintain its beauty, not to destroy it for our own comfort. So, save the nature, save the ocean, and save our future. Thank you. Presented by Lakshya Sharma, St. Mark's Senior Secondary Public School, Janakpuri, India.